tomato, 1 green chili, some cilantro, 2 eggs, some onion, some salt, and some oil. Anyone can make this type of omelet. Chop the green chili. Crack the egg. Beat the eggs. Add salt as per your taste. Add chopped onion into our eggs. Add tomato, green chili, and cilantro. Beat it for a few minutes. Take a pan and make sure that you heat it well and add some oil into the pan. Spread the oil. When the oil is heating, add our mixture into the pan. You can also spread it. You can use butter instead of oil for the masala omelet as well. When it is solid, flip it. Makes are also coming out. Our masala omelet is ready. Enjoy. Now I'm going to show you how to make a half-fried omelet. Add some oil into the pan. Take an egg and crack it on the pan directly. Take a pinch of salt and add it to our omelet. Crack some black pepper into our omelet. Our half-fried omelet is ready. Enjoy our omelets. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. It's really good.